Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna explain to you how to send pictures on Gmail. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply open the Gmail app, and then the next step is to simply tap on the compose button, as you can see here at the bottom of the screen. Then you're gonna have to simply enter to who you want to send this email. So this is very important. And then after that, what you're gonna have to do is simply enter the subject, and then here simply compose your email. And now if you want to add and send a picture, what you're gonna have to do is simply tap on this button next to this airplane icon, this one here. And as you can see, you're gonna be able to go to your gallery, so you can simply tap, and here you can see all the videos. You can even send videos if you want, or simply select the photo, and basically after that simply tap on the send button, and that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.